Korean grammar.
으면,
If, when.
으면,
Used to express a conditional sentence. It means if or when, and is added to the verb stem to indicate the condition under which the action in the sentence will occur. Can be used to express a hypothetical situation or a suggestion. Conjugation. 1. Verb stems ending with a vowel plus 면.
가다, 가 플러스 면, 가면.
2. Verb stems ending with
예 플러스면,
길다, 길 플러스 면, 길면.
3. Verb stems ending with consonants other than.
예 플러스 으면,
작다, 작 플러스 으면, 작으면.
Sample sentences.
내일 비가 오면 우산을 가져가세요.
If it rains tomorrow, please bring an umbrella.
저녁에 시간이 되면 전화해 주세요.
When you have time in the evening, please call me.
춥지 않으면 밖에서 놀러 갈까요?
Shall we go outside and play if it's not cold?
Note, in front of the verb or the phrase, you can add the word manyak to make the meaning more clear.
만약 피곤하면 언제든지 쉬어도 돼요.
You can rest anytime if you're tired.
만약 돈이 부족하면 저에게 말씀하세요.
If you don't have enough money, tell me.
만약 이 도시를 방문하면 꼭 이 박물관을 방문해야 합니다.
If you visit this city, you must visit this museum. Let's practice. Can you understand these Korean sentences?
들어가면 안 돼요.
You can't go in.
주말에 날씨가 좋으면 바다에 가자.
If the weather is nice on weekend, let's go to the sea.
집에 도착하면 빨래를 할 거예요.
When I arrive at home, I will do the laundry.
학교에 가면 알려주세요.
If you go to school, let me know.
잠을 못 자면 다음 날에 몸이 피곤해져요.
If you don't sleep well, the next day you'll be tired.
컴퓨터를 많이 하면 눈이 아파요.
If you spend too much time on the computer, you will hurt your eyes.
수업이 일찍 끝나면 뭐 할 거예요?
If the class finishes early, what are you going to do?
질문이 있으면 언제든지 물어보세요.
If you have a question, ask me anytime.